guys, so this is our really simple off-grid shower setup. We have this black barrel here that also captures the heat of the sun. It catches our water straight from the roof. The water comes into the gutters from the rain, drains down into this 55-gallon drum. We had this little transfer pump here set into it, and we click that on, and we've been using this guy for a while. I'm pretty happy with it. And the stronger the batteries are, of course, the more pressure that you have. I say we've been using this for a little while now, and I've actually been quite happy with it. That little pump there is about 20 bucks or so. The 55-gallon drums, I don't know what you got to pay for them. Usually you can find somebody that has something they want to get rid of. You will definitely want to, it doesn't matter what was in it before, you will want to rinse it several times. That doesn't mean you have to fill it all the way up. If you fill it up about a quarter way, roll it around, pour it out, do that several times. And when you do it and it comes out and it's undistinguishable from water, I'd say you're pretty close. And then if you put 55-gallon worth of new fresh water on top of that, whatever there is likely going to be diluted far enough, since you've already rinsed it out, that it probably won't be much of a problem. If you're using something that was truly harmful to start with, maybe it was toxic, maybe it was acidic, or whatever it was, if it would have hurt you, you should probably figure that out before you use that drum to start with. So there you go, guys. About as simple as we could do it and have a functional shower so that we could be working on other things. We have plumbing going into the sink inside, very much the same way, but it's with a much stronger pump, because we have to send it up and over and a ways away. This will be the mechanisms that we use until we set up the gravity feed, and that will be 3 or 4 55-gallon drums placed horizontally, stacked on top of each other, one feeding into the one below it and filling on the top one. Hopefully that'll give us a lot of gravity pressure pushing the water down, and hopefully it'll be able to run to our shower inside, toilet inside, and sink inside. But between now and then, this is the mechanism that we have, what we've set up, and it works. Just got a couple of T-posts there, a little tarp around it to cover, and then we can hook the tarp to close it. Turn on the little pump there, and then start on our shower. We have never ran out of water one time on it, not once. And then we're at the end of July. We've been going through the middle of June and up until now with this particular system, and we haven't ran out of water yet, but that is also one of our biggest rainy seasons. And it does not take much with the square footage of my roof up top to completely fill this 55-gallon drum. It does it in no time. Just a couple of minutes of a decent rain will actually fill this bucket, or this barrel back up. Guys, I hope you found this at least interesting. If you're trying to do something off grid, or maybe you're just camping, or any number of things, you could use this. You could actually probably put a little pump like that at a creek, if you could get on the bottom side of like a waterfall or something like that, and pump it over to yourself to take a shower too. Or if you just collected water, a bucket of water, say you had a 5-gallon bucket of water, collect it from wherever your water source is, use that pump, and just any hose that you have that you can attach to it to serve as your shower wand, you could use that for a shower too. I have 2 of the Coleman gravity feed showers. And if you look, actually that was one of our early shower setups there. Had to come down pretty soon, probably whenever we need the materials there. And actually the little red shower head that's on the end of that came off of that little gravity feed shower. I find this to be way easier. One, the on and off switch is way easier than that valve, because from 1 minute to the next, that valve is kind of tricky. It's instead of turning on and off, it would rather unscrew. With this, it's battery powered. You can switch it on and off. If we use this much longer, I will find a way to step down voltage to 3 or 4 volts, maybe even down to 6, and run this off of a battery. I might even just get a separate 6-volt battery to put on it, and then set up a little solar panel on that battery. My goal is to not use this for an extended period of time and set up that gravity feed pretty soon. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Click like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll be back with more things just like this. See ya. Bye.